Measure's work begins with stories. Parents and community members expressed concerns about the rate of assault charges against black children. We found that 54% of the assault charges occurring in Pflugerville School District in 2016 and 2017 were of black children. A startling fact when you consider that black students only make up 16.8% of the district's student body. Black students were roughly 3.5 times more likely to receive an assault charge than white students, and twice as likely as Hispanic students. 14 of these assault charges were filed by the staff against students. Early exposure to the criminal justice system can set young people on a descending trajectory, significantly limiting their access to opportunities. With the help of Pflugerville ISD and Black Pflugerville, we dug deeper into the numbers behind the issue.
Black versus white.
Some of these kids they're dealing with trauma, and we're not treating it that way.
When I first saw the data, my initial reaction was shock, but then after a split second, it was sort of like, same song, different beat.
Wasn't shocked, but I was surprised.
My first reaction was wow. I had the wild look.
My first thought was I was surprised at how big the disparity is.
Me as a parent, I have a concern. Are we as parents tackling what we need to tackle in our community?
Because it hasn't been even across the board, which you would think the same system, the same parent, and ultimately the same family. But each one of my sons have been treated differently according to the system.
Frustrated with the reality that we are seeing so many disparities between how people of color are treated in our communities in the criminal justice system.
So the school to prison pipeline is a set of policies and practices that funnel children into the prison system. And when we say that, we often think that children are committing these heinous crimes, but often it is children being criminalized for misbehaviors that happen at school.
I believe that having a strong community that understands the children, since it is, at the end of the day, the parent's choice to file complaints, that they understand where these kids are coming from.